Hello, today I will discuss about the performance analysis of the concentrating type collector. To analyze the performance of the concentrating type collector, that the four important features that is to be analyzed while we check the performance of concentrating type collector. So first one is the concentration ratio. Concentration ratio indicates that how much the rays focus on a particular point from which the maximum radiation occurs through that particular point, either through a surface. So concentration ratio is defined as the effective aperture ratio to the absorber tube area. Here this one is a curvature and this is the diameter of the curvature. If W is indicated by the total aperture and D naught its diameter, so the difference of W minus D naught is the effective aperture ratio from which the incident rays comes, and the absorber tube areas, it means that circumference area. You know that angle is equal to arc upon radius. So here the absorber tube area is to be defined as the circumferential area of the curvature. Second is the intercept factor and it is denoted by symbol gamma. Gamma is equal to the radiation of intercepted by absorber tube to the total rejected rejection. So we know that when the rays comes on the curvature and how much efficient is to be reflected onto the particular surface or particular concentrating point, it is a very important consideration that when the rays comes on the curvature, how efficient or how much efficiency the rays is to be transferred while impinging on the surface of the curvature to the outer peripheral where the point is to be there at particular surface area. So insert intercept factor, that is denoted by the symbol gamma. C. Third one is the collector efficiency. So when the rays is to be collect on the collector, that the maximum efficiency occurs by this formula. F is equal to 1 upon ui bracket में 1 upon ui plus d naught di hf, where ui is the overall heat coefficient, d naught and di is the outer dia and inner dia, hf is the heat transfer coefficient. The third D is main analysis of the concentrating type collector, that is instantaneous collector efficiency. Its symbol is eta I and this formula is equal to Qu upon IBRB plus IDRD close bracket into WL, where Qu is the useful heat gain, L is the length of the concentrator, IDRD is the diffusion radiation and IBRB is the beam radiation. So these are the four major steps while we analyze the performance of the concentrating type solar collector. So you have to learn this formula: coefficient collector efficiency, instantaneous collector efficiency, इंटरसेप्ट रेट फैक्टर एंड कंसंट्रेशन रेशियो. तो इसका ये मेन एनालाइज है जो कि आपको समझना है कि इफ़िशियंसी परफॉर्मेंस एनालिसिस जो है आपकी कंसंट्रेटिंग टाइप कलेक्टर की तभी अच्छी होगी जब कंसंट्रेशन रेशियो ज़्यादा होगा, उस पर रेस पड़ेगी कर्वेचर पे और रिफ्लेक्ट होगी ईजिली. इंटरसेप्ट फैक्टर क्या होगा, किस इंटेंसिटी से रेज जो है वो रिफ्लेक्ट हो रही है. कलेक्टर की इफ़िशियंसी मीन ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा जो हीट है वो एब्जॉर्ब करे, इस टाइप का मटेरियल हो कलेक्टर का जो रेज हो ईजिली, जो भी रेज आ रही है कलेक्टर के सरफेस पे वो ईजिली एब्जॉर्ब करे एंड तुरंत रिफ्लेक्ट भी करे. और फोर्थ जो है इंस्टेंटेनियस कलेक्टर इफिशियंसी मीन्स इंस्टेंट मीन्स तुरंत इन कमिंग ऑफ द रेज एंड quick succession of the time it depart the rays after impinging on the surface. So this is the performance analysis of the solar collector. One thing is more is that how many types of the concentrating collector, that there are four major part of the types of concentrating collector. First is the parabolic collector, second one is the mirror type collector, third one is the combination of parabolic collector, and the last one is the that is Fresnel collector. This one is the Fresnel collector and this one is the compound parabolic collector. So one by one we study that how the parabolic collector works, that when the rays comes on the curvature, that is reflect to a simple concentrated point where all the rays accumulated on this point, that the position of the curve that is to the north south direction, either east west direction. So this is the figure for parabolic collector. Second is, this is the mirror strip collector. Mirror strip collector, it means that this is the simple curvature from when the sun rays, it passes through a point where maximum allocation of the rays comes here, and this is the mirror. The two different mirror is attached to a absorber tube where the rays, when the sun rays reflect to the mirror, then this efficiency and the sun rays reflection both are apparent on a common point, and the efficiency is to be improved by the summation of this rays plus this rays. Total efficiency is to be improved by the mirror strip collector. Third one is the Fresnel collector. Fresnel collector, it means that a focusing lens in which the rays comes here and concentrate about a common point with the help of this lens and this absorber pipe, where the absorption of the radiation rays comes onto this surface and it reflects upon a common point. This is known as the Fresnel lens. This beam, either this lens, is known as the Fresnel lens. The last one is the compound parabolic collector. A compound parabolic collector, this means that there are two types of mirror A and mirror B. This one is the flat reservoir. When the rays comes on mirror A, it reflects to this flat reservoir, and when the rays comes from this on mirror B, then it reflects the rays from here, this one. So from these two positions, the rays is to be accumulated on a common flat reservoir. So the efficiency is more improved in the compound parabolic collector, because there are two nodes from which the rays is to be comes on a single flat reservoir. So this is the working principle of the four different type of the concentrating type collector. So in the university exam, that always a question arise that explain the different types of concentrating type collector, explain the different type of flat plate surface collector. So all of you know that these are the four important terms that are to be indication of the parabolic, mirror strip collector, Fresnel collector, and compound parabolic collector is the types of the concentrating type collector. So in this video we discuss about the performance analysis and the different types of the solar collector. So please note down these figures, and after this we discuss about the different types of solar energy into the next video. Thank you.